over here next to the car.
Right here.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh, there's a fire down
It's the fuse.
Oh.
That's what it's supposed to do. Once it starts, they just all keep going. Oh, wow.
They're not gonna catch house on fire.
No. Yeah, they're all totally hooked together. How long a fuse did he put on that one?
Gramps, what's going on?
Don't go down there. That's too dangerous.
Is that going up to those rocket things?
Well,
There.
geez.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like that.
That was cool.
What was that? Was that a dog?
No. I don't know what it was. Oh, that's pretty. I think he outdid himself.
Oh my
Oh, isn't that
gosh.
pretty? I like that one.
They're trying to outdo us over there.
That's what it sounds like.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
something went in the yard.
We might have to
We
run.
should have the hose out here.
It's out there by our trailer.
Oh!
Oh, isn't it beautiful?
That was awesome. I don't know what those were. That was awesome.
What was that? What was that, Steve?
The mine.
Oh, that's the ones he was looking for.
Well, tell us when the George Washington's going.
I don't know when it's going.
Oh, geez. Scares me.
Some of them he's got shooting sideways.
Oh.
Okay, so I think the next one's gonna go over. Oh my goodness.
You sure it's not gonna catch my?
No, it's going way up there. Oh, I love those with different colors. And then how it leaves a trail.
Mm-hmm.
Who's singing?
What she said?
Who's singing? Oh, look
Wow,
at
that's
that.
pretty. I like that.
Wonder what that one is.
That's pretty.
Mines. I do hear
Somebody
music.
is singing back yonder.
Oh, is that those big ones up there going? The tall ones?
Those are, what do you call them? Bottle rockets.
Oh.
There's 100 of them.
Oh, jeez.
Well, the tallest one didn't have that many, but he's got one set of 100.
What happened to him?
He was tired.
Kim, are you videoing all of this?
Yes. Are you?
Yeah,
I'm up to 7 minutes.
me too.
It's doing something out there. I can see it. Just that fuse going slow.
Here it goes.
Oh, that must be the 100.
Oh my goodness. Looks like those tracers.
Oh my God. No wonder this thing starts crazy.
It gets green, doesn't it?
Yes.
They're quiet going up, just like a whisper.
Here it goes.
What do you say they were? Just
Rockets.
She's got good ears.
We're all lightning bugs. They're trying to.
Oh, scared me. Oh, I like those. Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
Oh, it smells good.
Can you smell it? I can't. Oh, it smells bug spray.
Yeah.
Smells like bug spray over here. Classic 4th of July smell. Isn't that pretty? I clap if I went home. I like that.
Yeah, I do. I hear it.
Oh my. Look at those fuses go. Wow. Oh, I like those blue ones. I like the screamers
Mm-hmm.
and the crackling ones. Will you tell us when it gets to George Washington? He say no. This is nice that he doesn't have to keep lighting them, that they just keep going.
He seems to be doing okay.
He's got them all wired together.
I'm at 15 minutes.
I was hoping it would last 15.
I'm coming halfway.
Oh, I like those.
Ooh, that's pretty. I like that.
I do too. Now it's changing colors. Oh,
That one's neat.
I like that. Oh, it's still going. It's almost like glitter behind it.
That is nice.
Is that the George Washington?
How many hours has he spent getting us together?
Untold.
I liked that.
I did too.
That was my favorite.
What was that one?
Go down there and see what the name of that one was.
We probably should have written them down. Oh, that's pretty.
That was awesome. Yeah, we're awesome.
Oh my God. Are they hollering back?
I don't know. Didn't know fire crackers were a spectator sport like that.
That was a puny
I don't think so. Yeah, there's something still down there.
Here it goes.
Doing something. Oh, jeez. We fall for it every time.
Because it gets hot.
That was pretty. That one too.
I see one little teeny weeny star up there.
Do you?
Teeny weeny weeny.
I don't know if I'd like flying a plane with all these fireworks.
I always thought it'd be neat to be up in a plane, being
Maybe
able to see them.
Nervous that it would come too high. Or...
No, I don't think they could get up that high. I don't know if it, like if you were 30,000 feet, if you could even see them. but
Yeah.
I always thought that would be neat.
Here it goes.
Oh my goodness.
What was that?
He said, I don't know.
I liked it.
That was pretty. Wow. Those are going up way high.
An air quality alert was just issued. It's probably because of this.
Can you see the fuse still going?
I see something back there.
Okay. Some of those fuses are kind of long between the different racks. Here it goes.
Damn, these people are gonna come up here after y'all leave and kill me.
Probably people pulled over at the park and started watching.
Oh. Oh, I still see something. I bet all the animals are hunkered down tonight, don't you?
Yeah.
What the heck is going on?
I hate this
Shut
time
it.
of year. Nice.
Something just hit the barn.
Just firework particles.
Firework particle.
What'd she say?
Just a firework particle.
You can hear people over there at the park.
Can you?
You can hear them say,
You hit the
"Whoa."
barn, you hit your car. Mike's car. Tara's car.
Better not hit her airstream.
You guys will have dust all over your car tomorrow.
Oh! I just thought that was going to be a little tooky one, and then it did all of that. I think Steve did a good job this
Mhm.
year.
Yeah, this one's really good.
Uh-huh. Well, when he gets his little electronic thing to set them off, and he could set them to music so that they.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
He could borrow your Christmas
Mm-hmm.
thing that goes to music to do this. Those are pretty.
Grandma, I think this is the George Washington.
Ooh,
What did he say?
this is the George Washington.
This is the George Washington.
Time for you to stand up and sing something patriotic. Whoa! Looks like little fireflies falling.
What was that meant?
I don't know.
Is something else lighting? I'm at 28 minutes, Steve.
Sorry.
I'm never going to be able to send this to Cole.
You have to wait for Wi-Fi.
I think the people behind us are trying to keep up with us. I don't think they've got it though.
Is it somebody revving their engine?
Mhm. Maybe just trying to get it going.
There's a light one.
Better get out of the way.
Wow. Oh, I like that.
Oh my Lord!
Gramps, there's something on fire down there.
Don't get close to it.
What'd he say?
We got something on fire.
Something's on fire. Where's the marshmallows?
You might ought to call the fire department.
They're looking. They live right up the road from me.
I don't see the other fuses, Joe.
One more.
Big one.
What do you say?
Is that over there where that fire's at?
I wonder how the dogs are doing.
It's quiet.
I think you ought to just let it burn.
I do too. It's not going. Don't go
Don't
out
go down
there.
You're gonna get your eye shot out.
He did once when we were first married. He got it. We ended up in the emergency room.
They'll be okay.
God, they're going down there.
Probably not a good idea.
Where's the hose? God, the grass is gonna be on fire. Okay, I'll smother it.
I don't know. I hope it doesn't burn up one of his wooden racks that he worked so hard on.
I wonder if that's what's on fire.
What?
I sure could use a s'more right now.
Well, there's a fire going for you.
Kim, where's the hose?
I think it's out there by the trailer.
My water hose.
Uh-huh. He refilled put some more in the tank. We didn't fill it all the way up last night because it was raining.
Oh my God, he's lighting a fuse.
Look at him run. Oh, that's pretty.
Burning, Kim. I'm concerned about that.
I think it's okay.
Can I get the box? And then start with plastic.
Oh, wow. Oh, that was neat.